Design used to be the domain of experts, but Canva has changed the game for everyone. With its easy drag-and-drop interface, anyone can create professional-looking graphics in minutes. Need a quick Instagram story or a polished YouTube thumbnail? Canva's huge library of templates has you covered, making content creation fast and consistent. Features like Magic Resize and Brand Kit help keep your visuals on point, and real-time collaboration means teams can work together seamlessly. But Canva isn't perfect. If you need advanced design features or highly customized graphics, you might find its tools a bit limiting compared to software like Photoshop. Relying too much on templates can also make your designs look generic if you don't customize them. And since Canva is cloud-based, you'll always need a stable internet connection. For most creators and teams, Canva is a powerful, accessible tool that makes design simple and efficient.